Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure your smart TV is online and running the latest firmware because a stable connection matters. Once done, open your TV's App Store, search for YouTube, and install or update it now. Make sure the remote has fresh batteries and you know the input/source. If the app appears on the home screen, launch it. If not, check Apps or My Apps. This gets you straight to the login or guest interface so you can proceed. Next, sign in to personalize recommendations and access subscriptions. Select Sign in on the TV app, you'll see an activation code. Then, on your phone or computer, go to YouTube. com/activate or scan the QR code, enter that code, and approve the device. This pairs your account fast. Once paired, use the remote to navigate search, voice input if available, and your subscriptions. Make sure to accept any permission. Prompt so casting and history sync work smoothly across devices. Now you can play videos, change quality settings, and turn on captions for accessibility. To cast from a phone, confirm both devices share the same Wi-Fi network and tap the cast icon in the YouTube app. Playback transfers instantly. If playback stutters or the app won't sign in, restart the YouTube app and, if needed, reboot the TV. Make sure the router is working and re-authenticate your account. These steps finish the setup and resolve most issues so you can enjoy uninterrupted viewing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.